OnePlus is expected to launch the OnePlus 15 in China on October 27th event. The OnePlus 15 will launch in global markets on November 13th. OnePlus 15 will come in mist purple and absolute black, and an IP68/69 rated body. The OnePlus 15 is likely to carry a triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel Sony LYT700, a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 ultra-wide shooter, and a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 telephoto lens with up to 3.5x optical zoom, and OnePlus new Detail Max engine for sharper shots. The OnePlus 15 is tipped to sport a 6.78-inch 1.5K BOE X3 display with Dolby Vision support, 1 to 165 Hz 8T LTPO dynamic refresh rate and Pro XDR visuals, and 1800 nit peak brightness. An ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, run on the latest version of ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. Powering the device will be a large 7,300 mAh battery, with support for 120W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. Pricing in China may start at 3,999 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.